all your love, or 'cause I want you. No one else makes me.
Hi, thanks for joining Friends Test Kitchen today. Today we are paying tribute to Betty White and we are going to make Betty White's chicken wings. Just as simple as that. We love chicken wings, we love Betty White, so let's get started.
So first we gotta start off with her marinade. Guys, her marinade is simple, but she uses a lot of it. Butter, we can't do anything without butter. So a whole stick of butter and a lot of soy sauce. So do not be scared, but there is no salt in this recipe at all. I would do the full sodium. Don't be doing any of that low sodium. This is wings. There's no counting anything.
Do you want flavor?
And then some brown sugar.
It's balanced.
Yep.
Salt,
But hey,
sugar.
it's balanced. We got a little water to dilute it.
A little water.
A little ground mustard. And then it says optional.
Yep.
Garlic powder going in.
Yes, please.
Okay, so we're just gonna put this on the stove on low. We're gonna do it until everything melts, everything mixes together, but not boiling it because it's butter.
I noticed that it says to put the chicken on the pan and then marinate it while it's on the pan, and that's so different than how I'm used to marinating things. I usually put it in like a bag. Wouldn't it marinate better if it was like smooshed all in a bag, like fully swimming in the marinade?
I didn't see anything that said that that's what Betty White said. It was Betty White's recipe back in the 50s or 60s, and it originally started off with chicken breast. And then all of a sudden it got refound again, and then it was turned into chicken wings. So that's my thing is like, did she say to put it on the pan? I want my sauce sitting in the pool of sauce.
I knew it.
Because I feel like when you do it the way they say it, your sauce spreads everywhere and it doesn't cover everything. So
Yes.
that's what I'm doing.
Oh man, all right, I'm gonna do it the way the recipe says it, so we will see. I think I already know the answer, but I will do it for the viewers. And so it went from breast to chicken wings. Well, today I'm gonna change it to chicken thighs because the store did not have any more wings.
We're just gonna let it sit in the marinade for 2 hours, and then we'll meet you guys back and we're gonna put it in the oven.
Oven is set for 375 and we're gonna pop it in there and we're gonna cook it for an hour to an hour and a half. All right, Kat, how does yours look?
My wings look beautiful and golden and brown, but the sauce totally caramelized and it was black.
I did it a different way. I followed the recipe. So I had the marinated stuff in here. So mine was soupy. So mine is nice and brown, but it didn't there was no caramelizing. So even if I had the wings, I have so much liquid, I really don't think it would have made a difference.
But I didn't even do the full, like it said an hour and 15, an hour and 30. I had to pull it out like at 56, 57 because I thought my house was gonna catch on fire.
So we talked a lot about how it looks. We'll see how it tastes. All right, I need some rice up in here. This chicken is good. I don't know how it would be. So if you follow the recipe, I don't think your wings will caramelize. So you need to do it like Kat, the old traditional way in the bag, basting it. Just use extra tin foil on the bottom. Keep an eye on it. But mine is just good chicken. It marinated, it went through, it's tender, it's flavorful, it's delicious.
This is really good. Like, really good.
I mean, I felt like the ingredients were really basic and kind of standard, except the dry mustard is a little different for me than what I would normally use. But I would say I taste mostly the soy sauce, but it just has a softness. That must be where the brown sugar comes in. So I know Betty White from, I don't know Betty White, but I remember her best from Golden Girls, of course, classic show, love her. And also because she's a huge animal lover and animal advocate. And then she'd always have these roles and parts in movies and commercials that she would say like the funniest things. And she's more memorable for that.
And Gina and I are really excited to be able to make this recipe and share it with you guys. It is a must-have. Make this, you won't regret it. Just make sure you use tin foil. We're so glad you guys joined us this week. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and we will see you guys next week.
Me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out.
Plop, plop, plop. We're nervous about our dumplings.
Still you stay 'cause you feel something real. Get so